Hi there, it's Josh here at the Classic Competition Company, and we have another one of our most popular prizes. This is a 1981 Yamaha RD350LC. It's going to be won on our website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com, and the draw for this one will take place on the 9th of August, which is a Sunday at 10 PM. So like I said, a 1981 Yamaha RD350LC in the dark Bounty colour scheme, I've been told, dark chocolate Bounty. This particular example has had a full engine rebuild, new crank, pistons, everything. Just all freshly rebuilt. Really nice colour scheme with the matching belly pan as well. Got the twin discs up front. Starts really easily, having had the engine rebuilt. It's all been set up very well. We have had it started a few minutes ago, so we've got a bit of heat in there, so we can give it a little rev. Give it a kick first. Starts easily, have a little listen to the engine. So there we are, very lovely RD350 with that beautiful free revving engine. Like I said, if you fancy a ticket on this one, tickets are £1.99. For this one, we're doing a 2-week competition. Usually it's 4. So we're going to test 2 weeks, see if you guys want to get involved, buy enough tickets to hopefully sell enough to make a profit. Like I said, draw will take place on the 9th of August, Sunday at 10 PM. Tickets for this one are £1.99. If you do enter, thank you for your support as always, and good luck.